Hey guys, I'm back and you are back on my channel. For those who are new on my channel, hi guys, it's Nika and thank you so much for clicking this video. And since you're already here on my channel, might as well click the subscribe button, the bell button, so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. And for today's video guys, I decided to share with you my secret on how do I get free stuff or PR packages. And if you want to know how, just please keep on watching. I know most of you guys are wondering on how do I get free stuff or PR packages even if I only have like 2.4k subscribers on YouTube and 1.4k followers on Instagram. Most of you guys are chatting or sending me DMs about this. That's why I created this video and I want to share with you the 4 major steps that I do in order for me to get free stuff and PR packages. But first guys, I want to share with you that I received my first PR package when I only have like 600 subscribers here on YouTube, and that PR package came from Singapore, followed by Hong Kong and Korea. And to be honest with you guys, most generous brand or most generous company or most generous place para sa mga small YouTubers like us is the Korean companies or Korean brands. Mas generous silang magbigay unlike the local brands here in the Philippines. I'm not saying na hindi generous ang mga local brands here in the Philippines. Mataas ang qualification sa mga local brands in terms of content creator dito sa Pilipinas. I feel like ang mga Korean brands, sila yung mas generous because every time I receive a PR package, sobrang laging galing sa Korea yung mga padala. So as I was saying guys, mahirap makipag-collaborate sa mga local brands here in the Philippines, especially kapag small-time YouTuber ka lang, kagaya ko. Kasi mataas ang qualification sa mga local brands here in the Philippines. Why? Because it's business. Why again? Because kailangan nila ng mga content creator na malaki na yung audience para mas mapalawak yung knowledge ng mga tao sa brand nila. That's why I understand the local brands here in the Philippines kasi nga, market yon and it's business. So, mahirap silang makipag-collaborate. Now guys, every time na nakikipag-collaborate tayo or nabibigyan tayo ng PR package from the other country or here in the Philippines, laging may deals on collaboration or may tinatawag na kung ano yung gagawin mo bilang content creator. So, minsan nakadepende sa company kung ang gusto nila is IG story, IG post, or YouTube review. But sometimes, gagawin mo silang tatlo. So, maraming pwedeng maging deals on collaboration. It depends on you and the company itself. At dito na guys, pumapasok yung tanong nyo na paid with products ba or products per se lang ang natatanggap in terms of collaboration or sponsorship. Pwedeng parehas sila guys. Merong mga company na paid with products ang ibibigay sa'yo and may ibang company na usually products per se lang talaga yung ibibigay nila sa inyo. Kapag products only yung ibibigay nila sa inyo, meron pa rin silang deals on collaboration like IG post, IG story, or YouTube review. Kapag paid with products, pwedeng IG story lang, pwedeng IG post, or depende kung ano yung pag-uusapan nyo ng company. Ito naman guys, kung small-time YouTuber ka, dapat lagi kang may proposal at may portfolio. Ano yung proposal? Yung proposal is, ito yung isusulat mo na kung ano yung product na gusto mo i-review sa company yon, bakit mo gustong i-review, sino ka para pagbigyan nila or pagkatiwalaan nila to review their products. That's the proposal na ibibigay mo sa mga company or sa mga brand. Hindi lang basta-basta collaboration, napapadala ka na ng products without them knowing what you're going to do with the products. Next, portfolio. Kapag small-time YouTuber ka, mas okay na gumawa ka ng portfolio mo. Ano ang nasa portfolio? Ang nasa portfolio mo is usually the brands na nakipag-collaborate ka na. The more na brands na nakipag-collaborate ka na and the known, kung known yung mga brands na yon, the better. Mas maganda sa portfolio kapag malalaking brands na yung nakipag-collaborate mo or nakakollaborate mo. So, ito yung dalawang laging hinahanap in terms of collaboration sponsorship, the proposal and the portfolio. Now guys, I will be sharing with you how do I get free stuff or PR packages. First guys is through applications. Marami ng applications ngayon worldwide na nagpo-provide sa mga small YouTubers or even big-time YouTubers ng mga free stuff or free products. All you have to do is to sign up. Lagay mo yung full name, shipping address, contact number mo, and sometimes may mga application na pinag-fill up ka na skin type. So guys, first application that I use is the Caris application. Caris is commonly binabanggit na yan ng mga big-time YouTubers like Ray Hermar, Tony Sia, May Layug, Rai Contawi, and Lou Sanchez. Usually, sila yung nagbabanggit ng Caris or sila yung napapanood ko na nagbabanggit sa Caris. Caris is a two-way process brand. You can sell some items and you can try some items. Isa rin to sa magandang platform for small YouTubers kasi sa Caris, meron silang Try Me, the Mesh Fusion. So, lalabas yun. Nakalagay sa baba niya, Try Me. I will be inserting a picture like right here. So, lalabas doon, Try Me. You can try it and then mag-email sila sa inyo once na-approve or na-disapprove ang inyong application. Usually sa Caris, may color silang tinatawag para sa mga privileges mo bilang part ng Caris. Hindi ganun kadaling makakuha ng Try Me sa Caris. It's always a 40-60% chance of winning. Laging 40% chance of winning lang, especially kapag ka hindi nagle-level up yung color mo sa Caris. Next application that I use is the Style Korean Global application. I don't use the application per se, but I use the website of Style Korean Global in order for me to get free stuff and PR packages. Sa Style Korean Global, through Instagram, nagpo-post sila ng Try Me, Review Me packages nila. Dito sa mga Try Me, Review Me nila, mapupunta ka sa website nila or mapupunta ka sa application nila, and then all you have to do is put your full name, shipping address, contact number, and then i-random select nila yon, and every other month or every after that certain month, ilalabas nila kung sino yung 20 YouTubers na napili nila to review their product. Next is Sample Room. The Sample Room is points basis. Ito naman yung mga application na kailangan mo ng certain points in order for you to get free PR packages. Paano ka kukuha ng points sa Sample Room? Sa Sample Room, once na nag-sign up ka, automatic may 50 or 100 points ka na. And then from there, dun ka na magsisimulang mag-review ng products nila. For example, I have 50 points and yung 50 points ko is katumbas niya lang ay eyeliner. Sa eyeliner na yon, kapag na-claim mo yon or naipadala na nila sa'yo yon kasi ginamit mo na yung 50 points mo, pag pinadala nila sa'yo yon, you have to put or to write a review on the website itself. Kapag nalagyan mo ng review yon, automatic magigain ka na ng points. So, the more na ma-review mo dun sa website nila, the more na dadami yung points mo, the more na madadami yung products na pwede mong itry for free. So, yun yung tatlong ginagamit ko for application. Ito yung pinaka-list na ginagamit ko kasi sobrang hirap mag-try. Pero, why not take the risk, diba? Take the risk lang on applying and signing up. Next thing that I do, or the second thing that I do, is to buy their products. For example, and why do I need to buy their products? Pinag-uusapan natin is free PR packages. But hear me out. For example, bakit ko bibilin yung products? For example, I like Face Republic. Ngayon, si Face Republic, may qualification siya in terms of content creators or YouTubers like us. Ngayon, bibilin ko yung product ni Face Republic. For example, nabili ko yung sunscreen ni Face Republic. Ngayon, gagawa ako ng YouTube review plus IG post plus IG stories about Face Republic and itatag ko si Face Republic. Now, kapag napanood ni Face Republic yung review mo about that certain product at nagustuhan nila yung review mo, pasok ka sa PR pack list nila. Just for example, an example lang si Face Republic, you can do this to all the brands na gusto mong i-reach out, pero I think that's one way of you introducing yourself to that brand. Kasi, for me hindi yung brand yung lalapit sa'yo, especially kapag small-time YouTuber lang tayo. I know guys, this second step is not so free, pero that's only a way for you in order for you to catch the attention ng mga company. Okay? Third thing that I do or I use is through Instagram. So Instagram, all you think about Instagram is all you can do is to post a fancy photo of yours or your family members or everyone na gusto mong picture at ilagay sa Instagram mo. No, Instagram is a very, very big business platform. Sobrang laki ng opportunity and business na pwede mo makuha sa Instagram. Through Instagram, lalo na kapag marami yung IG followers mo or Instagram followers mo, mas may tendency na yung mga brands ay magpapadala sa'yo. Kahit wala kang YouTube channel, for as long as maganda yung IG followers mo or maganda yung feed mo, may mga brands na magpapadala sa'yo. Trust me, may ganyang brand na nagpadala sa akin kasi sabi niya, maganda daw yung feed ko even if I feel like my feed is not really that great. So, yon. Pero how do I use Instagram in order for me to get free stuff? Remember the thing about portfolio and proposal. So, portfolio ko and proposal. So, yung portfolio ko and the proposal, sinesend ko sila ngayon, dinidirect message ko sila doon sa brands or sa company na gusto kong maka-collaborate. For example, I like to collaborate with Face Republic. Kunyari, again, si Face Republic. Kapag sinend ko yun sa kanila, automatic makikita nila, magre-reply sila. Though, may mga brands at may mga company na mas prefer nila ang IG or ang direct message para mas mabilis mo silang makontak. Pero may mga company naman na ayaw sa IG or hindi sila nagre-reply sa Instagram. So kapag nag-reply yung brand na yon sa Instagram, good thing. Pero guys, dito na papasok yung aking fourth step. Sa aking fourth step, kapag hindi nag-reply sa Instagram, magtutungo ko ngayon through email. Sa email, ito yung mga mas prefer ng ibang company because it's more professional. Still professional way pa din ang email. So, kapag sa email, mas maganda. Doon mo isulat yung proposal mo. Sa proposal mo, dapat nandun lahat. Anong product ang gusto mo, bakit mo siya gusto, at bakit kapag kakatiwalaan ng company na ito. Andun lahat sa proposal. At the same time, portfolio. Mas mabilis mag-reply sa email ang mga company na big companies or malaking companies, international and local. So yun guys, yun yung mga ginagawa ko. Application which has 40% chance of you getting free PR packages, buy their products, and then mapupunta ka na sa PR list nila. Through Instagram, and papadalan ka nila, 60% chance of you getting free PR packages, and email has an 80% chance na mas marereplyan ka ng mga companies na gusto mo, and it's more professional way para mag-reach out sa mga companies na ito. Pagod ako doon. So yun guys, that's my 4-way on how do I get free PR packages, local and international. And again guys, take note, if you're a small YouTuber, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na do reach out to the resellers. Kasi kapag reseller, mas mabilis silang kausap, mas mabilis yung process nila of giving free PR packages. For example, again, Glossier. You wanna receive something from Glossier. Pero si Glossier, sobrang laking brand ni Glossier. And sobrang liit mong YouTuber. So, hindi pwede, hindi ka makukuha ni Glossier kasi maliit ang following mo. So, all you have to do is to find a reseller or an online shop na nagbebenta ngayon ng Glossier and sila ang i-reach out mo. It happened to me. Nakatanggap ako na isang product from Glossier because of this reseller international. And yes guys, again, mas generous magbigay ang Hong Kong, Singapore, and Korea in terms of free PR packages. That's why sobrang love na love ko tong tatlong brands na nandito sa tatlong bansang to. And also guys, there is nothing wrong with you reaching out to the company itself kasi wala namang mali kung ikaw yung mag-reach out to the company. Always remember, small-time YouTuber ka and all you have to think about is how do you introduce yourself to these companies. The more na ini-introduce mo yung sarili mo sa kanila, the more na makikilala ka nila because this company will never notice you kapag hindi ikaw yung mag-reach out sa kanila. And I don't see anything wrong with reaching out to these companies for as long as you do your job sa collaboration or sponsorship na binibigay nila. So that's just it for today's video guys, and I hope you learned something from this, especially to those small-time YouTubers who wanna receive free PR packages from their dream companies. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this one, and I see you on my next one. Bye! Decided to share with you. And for today, free PR packages or free stuff for free. And 1.4k followers. I first received my first